Hi, I'm 𝗕𝗰𝗿 𝗥 𝗟𝘂𝗺𝗿. I own Lighthouse Contracting Group. We renovate lakefront homes all over the Lakes region. I'm here with Bill Wood, the lead carpenter here on this project, known as the Glendale Renovation. And on this project, we've been collaborating with Stephanie Wentworth of Decorative Interiors. So Bill, why don't you share with us what happened over the last month?
Yeah, things have kind of slowed down last month. We've got a lot of finished carpentry we've been into. So we've been mostly on stairs, treads, 𝗧𝗂𝗁𝗔 trim, baseboard, and the white oak handrails. We've been finishing those ourselves with some white pickling stain from Campbell, and finishing off with some matte finish 𝗧 clear urethane. And it's been about a few weeks just working on that, but we also got some more work done in the master bathroom, the backsplash, which you'll see that later. We got the chandelier installed, and a lot of flooring. Almost all the flooring in the house is now complete with all the baseboard. So it's looking pretty nice in there now.
And we're about to install the kitchen for the second time. It's one of the challenges that we've encountered is the kitchen had been installed once. There were some pieces that were missing, which isn't, something that's not typical when a large kitchen comes in. There might be a couple pieces that are damaged during complete, and so we got the kitchen installed enough for countertop template, which is a big milestone in a project. And then you get the countertops installed, and then the replacement cabinet pieces started coming in, and the finish was not consistent with the original order, the original cabinets delivered, which had already been installed. So we tried making some adjustments, working with the vendor, 𝗕𝗁𝗵𝗿 Cabinetry, and we ended up making the decision to just go ahead and pull the whole kitchen out and have the whole kitchen, refinished so that everything could be consistent. So that meant taking out all of the Cambria countertops that had already been installed, taking out all the cabinets that had been installed, shipping them back to Pennsylvania so that 𝗕𝗁𝗵𝗿 could sand and refinish all the cabinetry, send it back to us. So yesterday, Bill and the team took delivery of the cabinets that had all been sanded and refinished, and now it's go time. In about 20 minutes, they'll be installing the cabinetry, getting ready for template in a couple of days so that we can have the countertops installed, later next week, get on the tile backsplash, start pulling everything together, because, that's a finish that usually happens a little bit earlier on in the project. As we're kind of reaching the end, floors are installed, baseboards in, like everything's painted. It's really time to pull it all together. So should go a little quicker the second time around. It's like doing a puzzle the second time. It's a little quicker. We even got some of the screw holes already ready.
Yeah, screw holes. It's all laid out and ready to go. So here we are in the master bathroom. We're going to take a look at some of the features here that we have. The existing gable ceiling plane in the master bathroom makes for a large volume of space, so Decorative Interiors chose to add a chandelier. First, to fill up the space and also to add illumination throughout. The backsplash on the vanity is called Symphony Bubbles. It is composed of marble circular stones with an accent of sparkle. To add additional interest in the space, we also repeated this element on the back side of the niche. It replicates the bubbles and ties the whole space together. The black curvilinear light fixture tied in with the plumbing fixtures and hardware colors plus the repeating circular element of bubbles creates a perfect symphony in this master bathroom.
So down here in the lower level, we're in her office. We have this really cool wall covering here. One of the first requirements in the design of the homeowner's office was that she wanted to have a zoom wall. Having the smaller of the two offices, Decorative Interiors knew that there wouldn't be much furnishing in the space. However, it would be neat to incorporate a burst of color for that zoom backdrop. This amazing wall covering from Crevette Fabrics called Bella Books is part of the Kate Spade collection. The color we chose is confetti. It includes saturated colors with a whimsical bookcase motif. The large graphic nature of the accent wall will serve to be a perfect backdrop for her Zoom calls.
As Jeremy was saying earlier, when it comes to materials and products and getting things, it's important to have good relationships with people and trade partners. And we work with Sierra Lumber, and we have a really good relationship with Jared over there. And he's just done a really good job at helping us get things on a timely manner and just thinking for us and just doing a really great job. And just another example of just when you work with great people, you have good results.
So thanks for following along, visiting us here on the Glendale project for number 10, the site visit video series. If you like the video, please follow along, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. I think it's over here, here somewhere. Swipe up. Thanks for following along.